Hello and welcome to the channel How to Network. In this video we will cover the story of a side hustler, how Kingsley Anamali earned $109,000 from TaskRabbit business. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Before joining TaskRabbit in March 2020, Kingsley Anamali worked 6 jobs. Was homeless in Austin, Texas, 2 years after emigrating with his family from Nigeria to Oklahoma City. But he had to hustle. Anamali had a full-time job at a Lexus dealership, ran a small garage organizing company and worked sporadic gigs with Uber, Amazon, DoorDash and Grubhub. Along the way, he amassed enough money to afford housing, first an apartment in 2019, and then a house in 2020. Even then, he still had to work multiple jobs, until last year, when he made $108,592 as a mover and furniture assemblyman on TaskRabbit, according to documents reviewed by CNBC Make It. Anamali tells CNBC Make It, during this inflation period, work doesn't slow. I don't feel anxious when I don't have something to do, because I've been able to save for the rainy day. But there are costs. Anamali says he worked 50 to 60 hours per week to earn those 6 figures. Here's how he built his TaskRabbit business from the ground up. Building a career as a mover. Anamali had never worked with his hands before immigrating to the U.S., he says. As a certified accountant, he oversaw brand and image development for a Nigerian mayor. Anamali says, grades in school made me feel like I never needed those physical skills, but coming here, the game was different. I didn't see myself working for someone or being in the corporate world. I wanted to have time with my family. After working some local gigs, a series of job leads led him to Austin, where he stayed with an employer for 2 weeks and saved up $2,300 to buy a used Nissan Altima. But Austin, where the median monthly rent for a 3-bedroom apartment is $4,649, according to Apartments.com, wasn't initially affordable. Sometimes, Anamali slept in hotels or crashed with friends. On days when he didn't have jobs lined up, he slept in the car. He says, "This is America. Nobody puts you on their couch forever." Hustling for an American dream. In 2018, Anamali started his own garage organizing company. Business was slow at first, so he worked as Uber driver and an Amazon, DoorDash and Grubhub deliveryman. Combined with his job at the Lexus dealership, those gigs earned him roughly $60,000 per year. By December 2018, he'd cobbled together enough to rent an apartment for him and his family. But renting wasn't the goal, so Anamali continued working multiple jobs to start saving for a house. It took him about a year. He closed on a newly built home in January 2020. Joining TaskRabbit 2 months later didn't immediately pay off. Anamali earned just $37,000 from the platform his first year. But he picked up handyman skills on the job that eventually helped him earn more clients and charge steeper prices, leading him to quit his other jobs in October 2020. He says, "Now, I can mount 10 in an hour. Many of the services I offer started as skills I picked up on different TaskRabbit jobs." Using reputation to charge premium prices. Anamali says he takes on about 60 projects per month on TaskRabbit, and his 5-star reputation on the platform allows him to charge premium prices starting at $70 per hour. Recently, he's suffered from an algorithm change, he says. TaskRabbit used to rank its search results by highest reviews, but now it ranks them by lowest price. He says, "Now, you have to go to a third page to even find me. But I understand I also have the choice to reduce my prices to pick up more jobs." A TaskRabbit spokesperson acknowledged the algorithm change in an email exchange with CNBC Make It. The spokesperson wrote, "Overall, we are working to provide the best match possible between taskers looking for work and clients looking for help. We do this by ensuring tasks are distributed effectively across our tasker community so that our clients are matched with a tasker who can do the job at a reasonable price and more taskers are able to receive more opportunities to earn money." Through the first 8 months of 2022, Anna Mali still made nearly $60,000 off TaskRabbit. Anna Mali says, "Before TaskRabbit, I was making just enough to keep things in motion, but not enough to save or invest." Looking ahead, Anna Mali says he wants to start integrating his TaskRabbit skills with the type of work he used to do back in Nigeria. Ideally, he wants to make money helping people understand how to operate new technology, which may eventually replace manual labor. Anna Mali says, "This morning, I helped someone change a window screen. Even if a machine could eventually do that work, you'll still need a human to set up the machine." Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel How to Network.